Welcome students. Today we'll talk about active and passive voice. Active voice, let me tell you, when the subject does something, okay, what's written over here, a verb is an active voice when its form shows that the person or thing denoted by the subject does something. So here Ram is what? Subject helps hurry. Object is what? Hurry. Ram helps hurry. When the subject does something, then that is what? Active voice. A verb is in passive voice when it shows that that something is done to the person or thing denoted by the subject. When something is done to the person or thing denoted by the subject, that is what? Passive voice. Okay, and when the subject does something, that is what? Active voice. So when we are converting Ram helps Hari into passive, then here what's there? Hari is helped by Ram. So what we are watching it here is that Hari is the object here. So that becomes subject in the passive voice, and helps is in the present tense. So Hari we are using is plus V3. V3 means third form of the verb is helped by Ram. So, okay, when the subject does something, that is what? Active voice, and when something is done to the subject, that is what? Passive voice. So, Ram helps Hari is active voice, and Hari is helped by Ram is in passive voice. Let us start with the rule. In the present tense, let me tell you the formula. Present tense, subject plus is oblique am oblique are plus V3. So in active form, let us start. He reads a book. Okay, a book is read by him. Why we have used is? Because it is in the present tense. Plus V3 read, read. Pronunciation is different, but the spelling is same. Ram follow in the second sentence. Ram follows me. Ram follows me. Me is changed into I. I am followed by Ram. Okay, third form of follow is followed. So we have to check out what is the verb over here, and then we have to convert it accordingly. So in the third sentence, she teaches me English. Okay, so we have to change the object here into subject. Me will change into I, and then naturally what we will use? I with am. And what is the third form of teach? Teach is taught. I am taught English by. She changes into her. So this was about the present tense. Then we are coming to present continuous. What is the formula for that? Subject plus is being, am being, are being plus VT. So naturally if it is continuous, then we have to use being, and is, am, are is also there. He is writing a letter. Then again a letter will become object will change into subject in passive voice. A letter is written over here. Being also you have to write as according to formula. And third form of writing is written. A letter is being written by him. Ram is helping me, then you have to change it accordingly. If I is there, then you have to use am in present tense, present continuous. I am being because it is continuous. And third form of help is helped by Ram. Then third sentence, the mason is building the wall. Here, then the wall is the object here. We'll start with the subject wall. The wall is, then again being because it's there in the formula. And third form of building is built by the mason. Then third will start with the present perfect tense. Subject plus has oblique have plus V3. Ram has written a letter. So it's given here. Ram is the subject. Has plus V3. Has Ram has wrote. Written is the third form. Letter. Then passive. A letter has been written by Ram. Then Ram has read many books. Then passive. Then we'll start with many books. Because books are there, that's why we are using have been, because it's given in the formula. Have been read, third form is read by Ram. Then third sentence, he has helped me. Then me will change into I have, I will take have been helped by Ram. So students, you have to keep in mind, if he, she, it and name is there, then you have to use have. I, you, we, they, then you have to use have. Then next, simple past. Simple past means you have to use subject plus was oblique verb, okay, plus V3, okay. Ram wrote a letter. So it is specified that it is in the past tense with this word wrote. Wrote is the second form. And then you have to write the third form also. Subject plus was oblique verb plus V3. Ram wrote a letter, then a letter will become subject. A letter was, why? Because one letter is there. That's why we are using was. And third form of wrote is written by Ram. Ram read many books. Then many books are there. That's why we are using were. Many books were. Third form of read is read. Pronunciation is different, but spelling is same. Many books were read by Ram. He helped me. Then subject will be changed. Object will be changed into subject. I will definitely take was. I was helped by him. So again I will tell you, he, she, it, and name we will use was in the simple past tense, and you, we, they we will use what? Were. Then past continuous, we will start with past continuous. Subject plus was, were plus being plus V3. This is the formula over here. Example, Ram was writing a letter, then a letter was, being is given in the being, and written is the third form of the verb by Ram. Hari was reading a book, again, or a book was being read, again third form of reading is read by Hari. So past continuous, what we are using? Was oblique where plus being plus V3. Okay, was where we are using, I have told you already, and were where we are using, I have told you already. Then past perfect, subject plus had been plus V3. Ram had written a letter had been written by Ram. Had, here we have to use been also, had been written by Ram. Then Ram had read many books had been, student we have to use had here, had been read by Ram. Ram had helped me, I had been you have to use here, I had been helped by Ram. Subject will change it to simple future. Ram will write a letter. So, listen here. What's the formula? Subject plus will oblique shall plus BEB plus V3. Ram will write a letter. Letter will come first. A letter will, we have to use be, written by Ram. Ram will read many books. Many books will be read by Ram. Ram will help me. I shall be helped by Ram. Okay. Then future perfect. Will subject plus will oblique shall plus have been plus V3. Will oblique shall plus have been plus V3. This is the formula. Ram will have written a letter. Again a letter will come in front. A letter will have been written by Ram. Because it's perfect, then we have to use have been. Okay. Ram will have read many books. Many books will have been read by Ram. Ram will have been helped me, will have helped me. Me will change into I shall have been helped by Ram. Then change in pronouns I am giving you in the table. I will change into me, we, us, you. You will remain in you, he, him, she, her, it, they, them. Then imperative sentence, look at here. Help me, let me be helped. Sing a song, let a song be sing. Open the door, let the door be opened. Don't eat this fruit, let not this fruit be eaten. Question statement, are you writing a letter? Is a letter being written by you? See, look at here, are means, are you writing a letter? Is, then you'll start with is a letter being written by you, because it is in present continuous, then you have to use being also, and then third form also is MR is there here. Okay, so the why did you write such a letter? Why? Then we'll start with was. Why was such a letter written by you? Where you can hide this box? Where can this box be hidden by you? Is she beating the child? Is the child beaten by her? Examples I have given over here. You can check this. Who did this? Who will change into by whom? By whom was this done? Open the window. Let the window be opened. So these are the examples. You have to check it out.